following counties in Pennsylvania: Mercer and Venango. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles east of Greenville, or 14 miles west of Franklin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Oil City, Franklin, Cigar Creek, Hassan Heights, Stoneboro, Polk, Sandy Lake, Rousseville, Cooperstown, Woodland Heights, Pleasantville, and Utica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast.